So dear viewers, I have come out with another recipe today, and which is going to be Taugeh Peratal. Taugeh Peratal means Taugeh, first of all, it is bean sprout, and Peratal means stir fry. It's the word in Tamil, Peratal, and Taugeh is a Malaysian word for bean sprout. So let us begin how to cook this Peratal. And I start off with 2 tablespoons of oil, and also followed by 1.5 teaspoon of mustard seed. So now the mustard seed will start to crack, and so without splattering, for it to come out, and so I'm going to cover this for a while. As the mustard seed has finished cracking, so now I will be adding 1 onion and also a sprig of curry leaves, a little bit of salt, and also 3 broken dried chilies, and also roughly coarse pounded fennel seeds. That is about 1 teaspoon. And now we will give all of this a stir. And so we will leave it as it is, covered for a few minutes for the onions to become translucent. The onions have become translucent, and this time we will add the bean sprout. And also with this we will add half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, and also 1/4 of teaspoon of turmeric powder, and give it a quick stir. And with this we will sprinkle a little bit more of salt. Salt is according to your taste. And we will let this cook by covering. So to let it cook even faster, I'm going to add a little bit of water. This will help the bean sprout to cook faster. Dear viewers, I think it is already been cooked. So to finish off this, we could add some sugar, a little bit, about half a teaspoon. This is to enhance and to balance the flavors, and give it a good stir, and we can remove it from the stove. It is pretty quick and easy, and here is my Taugeh Peratal. Here is the final result of the Taugeh Peratal, which is simple and easy with few ingredients, about like 6-7 types of ingredients, and it's very healthy, and it's also very nutritious, and especially it's a very suitable dish during the summer and winter and throughout the year. So I hope you'll try this. And I may forget to mention something. When you are starting your cooking, you always start with a medium flame, so that you start off with the heating up of the pan, heating up of the oil, and to fry the spices. So the the cooking will be all evenly cooked. So this is what my personal advice for everyone. So I hope you will try this dish, Taugeh Peratal, and share this recipe with everybody, and also subscribe, and see you in my next video. For those who are new, welcome aboard, and thank you for watching my video. And till then, we will see each other on my next video. Till then, bye bye.